Ever wonder how many businesses Tide helps? Ever dreamt of being your own boss? The freedom, the flexibility, the chance to build something from the ground up? It's an exciting path, but it can also be daunting, especially when it comes to the financial side of things. That's where companies like Tide come in. They offer financial services specifically designed for small businesses and freelancers. But with so many options out there, how do you know if Tide is right for you? Well, one way to gauge their success is by looking at their customer base. So, how many businesses have actually chosen Tide to navigate their financial journey? Here's the thing, while Tide doesn't disclose their exact customer numbers, they do share some impressive milestones. Buckle up, because we're diving into the world of Tide's business banking clientele. Reaching a milestone, 500,000 strong. Back in 2023, Tide celebrated a major achievement, reaching 500,000 members in the UK alone. That's a significant chunk of the small business pie, considering it translates to roughly 1 in 10 UK small businesses trusting Tide with their finances. This rapid growth isn't surprising. Tide offers a unique combination of features that cater specifically to the needs of small businesses. From user-friendly mobile apps for on-the-go banking to integrated invoicing and bookkeeping tools, Tide streamlines financial management for busy entrepreneurs. Global expansion, beyond the UK. But Tide isn't just a UK success story. They've set their sights on international waters. In 2023, they launched their services in India, and within a year, they'd already amassed over 175,000 members. That's a testament to the growing demand for digital financial solutions specifically designed for small businesses and Tide's ability to adapt to new markets. Looking ahead, continued growth. With a strong presence in the UK and a foothold in India, Tide's future looks bright. Their CEO has hinted at further international expansion, which could see them reach millions of small businesses across the globe. So, the exact number of Tide customers remains undisclosed, but the available information paints a clear picture. They're a rapidly growing platform gaining traction with small businesses worldwide. Beyond the numbers, why Tide matters. Now, the number of customers is just one piece of the puzzle. What truly matters is how Tide empowers these businesses. By simplifying financial management, Tide frees up valuable time and resources that entrepreneurs can reinvest in growing their ventures. This, in turn, contributes to a more robust small business ecosystem, fostering innovation and job creation. Choosing the right fit. While Tide's impressive customer base is a good indicator, it doesn't mean they're the right fit for every business. It's crucial to research and compare different financial service providers to find the one that best aligns with your specific needs and budget. Remember, a strong customer base speaks volumes, but it's your business, your needs, and your financial goals that ultimately determine the best choice for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.